story begins on Bardsley Green in southeast London in the summer of 2014. Beside the green we found an old abandoned car wash.
Ho ho ho! Welcome!
Car wash!
So we moved in. We had the first visitors to our new skate park.
Just wasting time, I'm wasting my life, I'm just wasting time, I'm wasting...
We started to build a mini ramp. Throughout, there was constant surveillance and harassment. So we put up our Section 6 legal warnings that we got from the Advisory Service for Squatters and set about finishing the ramp. At 8 AM, Bouget, the building firm, enclosed the green. Having rescued the trees from the green, we kept on building the project. Our project was starting to get a reputation and was attracting some of the best skaters in southeast London. The builders started to move in. First, they closed Bardsley Lane. Local campaigner Ed wasn't happy.
Very angry. Where are you from? What country?
It's not already. What are you from?
No, I don't like it.
No, I don't like it. Why, like that at all?
Makes him upset, but follows the guy goes out illegally. He means get fucking bad for you. Yeah, quite. You know what I mean? And us, where are we gonna be? You know?
Keeps green. Keeps green. Oh, keeps green.
Oh, keep the green. Oh, keep the green.
Oh, keep the green.
Ed, I think, okay, but I don't really want to film.
Then the court papers arrived.
Okay, I'm Mark Bannister. I've been asked by Mark Wagner solicitors who represent Mosaic Housing. The details are on the documents, and obviously you all know that you should seek your own legal advice. Yeah.
The first court case was adjourned due to a covenant on the land which required the free passage of water and soil, which we provided for. Our court victory made the front page of the local paper. To celebrate, we had a jam. Our first skate jam was a washout, but Ed was back with his latest action to preserve the green.
Here we go again. Switch master structure speed. Let's feel the fury. You see things haven't changed. Back up with problems with no solution. Wish it without a toilet paper run away. There is something you can find a way. The number of our enemies is growing daily. Companions for you, you will fall.
This gentleman acts as security. Was asked him to stop, which he's declined to do. What I understand is private property. They've erected a barrier around the private property.
Shit without a toilet paper run away.
Sorry? Thank you very much. By them not telling the community nothing does not give you a right to come down here just to manage your affairs.
It's a problem.
Sir, it is not. We've already gone over this.
You know it's not a problem.
Okay. Because it has property, I'm saying
That doesn't mean it's not a... That means they've taken it. You've seen they've taken it.
Sir.
Companions for you, you will far from being done. Showing up for what it's worth with three guns from the anti-force.
That Monday morning, the builders retaliated, blocking our access to the green. We had our first and last successful skate jam.
Will be.
We lost the second case, but life on camp continued. Artists came down to paint. Kids came down to paint. The machines kept rolling in.
Everybody's signing on, everybody's in the door line. They can't tell the ones who really tried from the ones who've given up hope. I can't find work, I can't find work. I can't find good work, I can't find work, I can't find work. I can't find good work. And those of us that jump.
Meanwhile, Spidey the Spider was busy being fucking huge.
Complaining about all the shit we get and the shits we have to give to our ungrateful wanker boss. I hate my job, I hate my job. I really hate my job, I hate my job, I hate my job. I really hate my job. Say my job is great, no one yells at me and they pay me what they say they would. Tell me I've got a good job because they pay me my minimum wage on time. I hate my job, I hate my job. I really hate my job, I hate my job, I hate my job.
As summer became autumn, we moved the camp round the ramp.
Car wash.
Then one morning, High Court bailiffs arrived. We had 2 hours to move out. We negotiated 1 extra day to get the mini ramp out. Time for one last skate.